Refer to your respiratory protection program if decontamination of the respirator is required. This section covers cleaning and disinfecting, but does not include decontamination. With the regulator and other adapters and hoses removed, carefully wash the facepiece and harness in a warm water solution containing a mild detergent. A soft cloth may be used to scrub extremely dirty areas. A soft brush may be used to wash the harnesses and elastomeric parts of the facepiece. Rinse thoroughly with clean water using a spray bottle or running water. Shake off excess water and then disinfect if necessary. It may not be necessary to disinfect the facepiece if reused by the same wearer. Use Scott's recommended disinfecting and sanitizing cleaner. Prepare the disinfecting cleaning solution as outlined in the instructions that come with the cleaner. Disinfect or sanitize the facepiece by spraying 3 full pumps of the properly diluted disinfectant on the outside of the mask, and 3 full pumps to the inside of the mask, wetting the entire mask, including all rubber and plastic areas. Let the mask sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. Rinse thoroughly with clean water using a spray bottle or running water. Shake off excess water. Dry the facepiece with a lint-free cloth, or gently blow dry with clean, dry, breathable air of 30 psig or less. Do not use shop air or any other air containing lubricants or moisture. Heated blowers must not exceed 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 44 degrees Celsius. Clean, disinfect, and dry the adapter using the same procedures and cleaners as demonstrated for the facepiece. Be careful not to dislodge the inhalation check valve when cleaning or drying. Examine both the facepiece and the adapter to be certain they are complete and in serviceable condition.